I was riding my bike the other day when I had to stop and really take a look at what I was seeing. What I was seeing and what I ended up seeing were two different things. What I was seeing was a person or a thing all in black, kneeling down by a baby stroller, and a small child with white like snow hair inside the stroller. I thought I was looking at something from a low-budget horror movie. Now let's see what I really saw. So, it was a lady in black scraping a wooden fence. There was a white dog in the stroller. Then I had to open my mouth and say something.
I just had to make sure that was a dog in the stroller there.
The look on her face was not a pleasant one. I am so glad that it was a dog and not a white-haired albino devil baby.